Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. A monumental shift in the United States medical device market has just taken effect. The FDA's long-awaited Quality Management System Regulation, or QMSR, has officially replaced the old quality system regulation that has been in place for over 2 decades. This new rule essentially aligns American standards with the global benchmark, ISO 13485. For international companies, especially in Europe, this sounds like a dream come true, a single harmonized quality system for multiple markets. But the reality is far more complex and holds hidden risks for the unprepared. The biggest misconception is that if you are ISO 13485 certified, you are automatically compliant with the new QMSR. This is a dangerous assumption. While the core of the regulation is now harmonized, the FDA has retained specific U.S. requirements. These are not separate clauses, but are woven into the fabric of the new rule. This includes unique American standards for device labeling and specific requirements from the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. For example, consider a German company that produces advanced diagnostic imaging software. Their quality management system has been successfully audited by their European notified body against ISO 13485 for years. They might believe they are ready for their next FDA inspection. However, under the new regulation, the FDA's inspection technique has also evolved. The agency now uses an inspection approach focused on the total product lifecycle. This means FDA investigators will dig deeper into connections between post-market data, complaints, and original design controls. They might find that the German company's risk management file, while compliant with EU standards, doesn't adequately address specific U.S. post-market reporting requirements now embedded in the QMSR. This could lead to a serious observation or even a warning letter, despite their flawless ISO 13485 record. This situation highlights that harmonization is not simple substitution. It requires a detailed gap analysis. Companies must actively identify and integrate the specific U.S. provisions into their existing quality systems. Relying on an existing ISO certificate alone creates a false sense of security and exposes companies to significant compliance risk in the world's largest medtech market. The era of separate quality systems is ending, but the age of nuanced, expert-led integration has just begun. Navigating these complex international regulations is what we specialize in. For a deeper analysis or to discuss your own market access strategy, please feel free to email or visit Pure Global.